Hello, my name is Joe from B+. What I want to do with you today in our video is bringing the hardware into operation from our Aveto starter kit. We will do the desktop setup. Remember, there's the cable kit coming with the starter kit for your car. Let's connect all components with power from the power supply to the power breakout box. What I prepared is actually the cabling for the breakout box. At the other side of the power breakout box, we have to connect power to the recorder. As we want to use this switch for the ignition signal, we have to provide the signal to the GPIO ports. Storage cartridge. Make sure it's locked, and we will connect one of the Wi-Fi antennas. As our recorder comes with a web interface, typically our customers use a Wi-Fi network to connect a tablet, which is in the front of the car, with the recorder in the trunk. The GPS antenna brings us geographical information and time information. Okay, let's power on the measurement data interface. As we provide power for the cameras by power over coax, we have to connect the second power cable. Let's take into operation the cameras. First, the second, and we use channel 1, channel 2 RX ports. The TX ports are not used in our setup because they are just used when we operate in tap mode. Okay, the probably most essential component, a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection from recorder to the measurement data interface. Here we are. So we get data from the cameras to the measurement data interface, decouple it to Ethernet communication. This is our data connection, and we get time synchronization from recorder to measurement data interface. Okay. Mouse and keyboard by means of this USB stick, and the display connection for the monitor. That's it in hardware. So next steps, taking the software into operation, configure the recorder, configure the time sync service, and of course have a look on the pictures from the camera if the data is valid for us. So that's the next step. Let's switch on and do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.